it's Melissa. In this video, we are going to solve a problem or an error that you might be getting on your Epson F2100. This also goes for the F2270, which is the newer model. So if you are getting a warning on your screen here that's telling you to clean the suction cap, you might be like, what does that mean? Don't worry, it's actually pretty easy. I'm gonna walk you through step by step. You ready? Okay, you're just going to need one of those foam tip swabs along with some cleaning solution and maybe a small pair of tweezers, and then we'll get this done. Okay, so if you're getting this suction error and it says to see the manual, you can see the manual, or you can also watch this video. So what we're gonna do is press OK like it says, and then we need to get into the maintenance menu. So we're gonna press, well first let's let it circulate the ink. And when that is finished, we are going to get into the maintenance menu. Okay, so we're gonna press the right arrow key here, and then we will click proceed, which is arrow. If you try to hit OK and it doesn't work, that's why you need to click this. Then we're gonna go down here to head cap cleaning, and again, we are going to click proceed. Okay, it's going to ask us to do the cleaning. The platen is going to move back. Are you okay with that? Yes. And then this time we have to click OK. So our platen is going to move back, and then what we are going to do is open up this top cover. Once the platen moves back, the print head is also going to move from this home position over here towards the center. Now, Epson does a really good job on all of their printers, down to like the Epson F170, which is a $400 sublimation printer, down to their inkjets. They do a really, really good job of giving you directions right here on the control panel. So just do exactly what it says. So we're gonna open the print cover, get our supplies, cleaning solution, tweezers, foam tip, okay? So the print head has moved to the side, which has exposed the capping station over here. And I'm gonna give you, the capping station's over here. I'm gonna reposition the camera so that you can see that. Okay, so this is the area that we are working. The only thing that you want to focus on is this piece right here, this little rubber piece in here. Don't touch any of that or anything around that. Okay, if it looks like you have any kind of gunk in here, use your tweezers to grab it and pull it out of there. I don't have really anything in there, so I have nothing to grab. Okay, now you are going to, I hate this word, moisten the swab with your cleaning solution, okay? And then you are going to clean the inside. Oh, my hand is shaking, look at that. No, maybe you can't see it. Okay, you're gonna clean the inside and then gently clean the outside. You should be getting some kind of stuff on here, okay? And then you're just gonna go around, being very careful not to touch anything else, okay? Mine actually was in good shape. All right, when you're done that, the screen will tell you exactly what to do. And as you can see here, it's telling us close the cover and press OK when the cleaning is finished. Okay, so the print head has now moved, you probably couldn't see it, back to its regular position. And we now are ready to print. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to do a nozzle check. And this time when I do a nozzle check, I shouldn't be getting that warning to clean the capping station. So let's go back in here and do maintenance. Nozzle check. Okay. It's going to tell me, just like it normally does, I need to shake the ink. I need to bring the, whoops, sorry. Okay, place paper at the center, that's fine. You can actually do your nozzle check right on the platen. And now it's telling me, as I expected, that I need to shake the white ink. So we'll take those out, flip them. The camera's getting a workout here. And then we'll place those back in here, lock them in. And the cleaning is going to begin, or not the cleaning, but it's going to tell me that I need to, it's the cleaning circulation will happen, and then the nozzle check will happen. Okay, so once that nozzle check is done, you should have cleared the error. If the error is still there, make sure you check. There's a spot over here where the print head sits and actually kind of like spits out ink. If it has a pool of ink on there, just clear that, and then you might want to do a medium nozzle check, or excuse me, a medium head cleaning. After that, that error should be gone and you will be good to go. So make sure you just keep on top of your maintenance. Your F570 or Epson 2100 should have come with a maintenance chart, and that's all you need to do. See you guys.